A year's gone by since I started working at Jerry's. In that time, what I've learned to appreciate is how well everybody could do their job. I'd like to think I'm an added asset. I didn't have to come in here and fix anything. This place was running pretty good before I showed up. My career took me to Regal. I spent 22 years there. During that time, I learned to appreciate how great a product they have. You know, they invest in the time to design, but also build and test. So Jerry's aligns with that. It's a great partnership. The reason I'm here is probably because of Jerry. At this point in my career, I can choose where I work, and I choose to work with somebody of high integrity, where when I make a decision in my position in regards to the customer, it's easy. The strainer that I pull it through has to involve integrity, it has to involve honesty, and it has to be the best for both Jerry's and the customer. It's got to be a win-win situation. When you have a place that you can look forward to going to work each and every day, and the people that you work with can add to that, it makes it a great choice.